when it comes to teaching you how to set up your independent welding business, how to get established, how to actually make money, how to get your account, your EIN number, how to get everything rolling, I charge a consultation fee of $150. Very small amount. But when it comes to giving you tips, tricks, ideas, to help you improve your welding skills, to help you get better at what you do, you just need some encouragement. I give you that for nothing because I want to see you do better. But remember this, it does take money to make money. So we're not going to get to that level we want to get to without spending money. I had to spend a lot. I'm only charging you $150. I spent thousands of dollars to get the knowledge that I got, to get me to the level that I'm going to and to the level that I'm on now. So there's nothing for free. But I would like to assist you and help you when you get better on your skills. When it comes to building your business, that means you're making money. And it's going to take a little money for you to